So here we've got a Citreon Dispatch 2022. I noticed that there's no videos on YouTube to show you where the fuel filter is located. I found it, and there is, I'll show you how I changed it. So underneath the van, under the back of the van, the back is here, the fuel filter location is here. So when you first start, these pipes are connected up here. To disconnect them, you need to put a screwdriver in the metal pin, lift this up, then you squeeze these two together, pull the pipe off, that's the two pipes off. Then there's a drain screw here, just turn it, let the diesel drain, and then you can't turn the housing because there's a little clip, a little lever here to undo it that you push that, slide it up, housing comes off. Hold on. Push housing off, but then what I did to undo it is put it back on once you took the pipes off, and then I just used 24mm spanner on top. Up here you can put the spanner and turn. Get it on there. A ratchet spanner would obviously be a lot better, but I don't have one in this size, so today I'm just doing it old school. And then take this off. Remember to drain the diesel first, otherwise when you lift this off, diesel's going to go everywhere. So now you can undo the top, but you can't get it off. So back under here, pull the lever, lift it up, just about comes out, and there you have it. Put the housing down, leave it there, filter, housing off there, down, and then the filter is inside.